Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to get more. Today we are going to be learning how to use Google Doc. How to use Google Doc. So now this is how the Google Doc look like. So if you've not installed your Google Doc yet, just go to Play Store and search for Google Doc and install it to your phone, to your smartphone. All right. So now we are going to be tapping on the plus to begin our tutorial. So once you tap on the plus, you will see choose template, new documents. Now let's tap on choose template to see what is there. Templates just have to do with they've already created something for you, and then it's like a guide that you can just use. You just edit the template and fix in whatever you want to fix in. You can see reports, class notes, lesson plan, project proposal, onboarding notes, and all of that, meeting notes. So these are templates that you can just use instead of starting from the scratch. Now let's go back. Let's see the new document. Now this is if you don't want to use any of those templates, you can go with the new document. Now let's type something and just see how it goes. Application for graphic designer role. Okay, so let's go with this application for graphic designer role. All right, so now let's look at the downside. Let's see the features for the downside. We have bold. Once you tap, first we have to highlight the application for graphic designer role. Once you highlight that, you'll be able to so that it will apply to all the text, right? So it has been highlighted now. Then tap on bold. See, it's now bold. Interlinks, can you see? Underline. So I'm just trying to show you how that goes. That's for color text. You can change the colors and all of that. So whatever text you want to change or work on, just highlight it and it will work out. All right, so that's it for that one. This one has to do with alignment. Should it be at the center, left alignment, and all of that? But let's make it at the center. Okay, yeah, so I did the center alignment. All right, so now the last one I think has to do with listing. Like if you want to list out some things, there's a list of items or whatever. See, we have the dots, we have the 1 2 3 and all of that. So that's for that one. Then we have for the upside as well. The upside features there. Upside features. I just want us to see some of the other features as well. Since we are done with the downside, the upside features. Let's tap on that and see what was there as well. Okay, but I think I still need to highlight to be able to work on that. Okay, I've done that. Okay, yeah, so now this we've tapped on the A, and these are the features under it. Now we have normal text and all of title, subtitle, heading one, two, three, and the rest. Okay, so let's see. So we have this is the font type of font you want. All right, so whatever font you tap on is going to change immediately. As long as you've highlighted the text, it's going to change immediately. So that is it. That's it for that one. Okay, then let's see. We have font size. That's, is it to be, you want it to be big, do you want it to be small? The font size, you can see the number there. So these are just some of the features. You can use columns, add page break before, and all of that. So these are line spacing, and all of that. So these are things that you can do here on Google Doc using your smartphone. Now I noticed that the title the title of the document is untitled document, so I need to change that. So just tap on that untitled document there, and then to bring you here, and I change it to application later. Can you see it? Okay, now to save our work, I went to the three dots up there, and then I'll go to share and export. Let's say you want to share the work to somebody, go to manage assets first. Before you even share your work, go to manage assets. Here they said only people added can open with the link. Now we need to change that so that if you are sharing the link to somebody or sharing the document to somebody, the person will not be struggling to open it. So once you change that, so I've tap on change. Let's tap on it again. Now we have anyone with the link. Now tap on anyone with the link so that you can do that. Then we have viewer, commenter, editor. Do you want it to be somebody that can edit the work or just to view the work on all of that? So let's just leave our own as viewer. Then with this, anyone on the internet can, open the document with the link you sent or with whatever document you sent to the person. All right, so that's it for this one. So anyone on the internet with the link can view. Now let's go back to the three dot again. We want to see how we can save, how we can share and all of that. Share and export. So go back to share and export. We have share, copy link, send a copy, save as. All right, share, send the copy, save as. So let's see. If to save as, you can save as Word, you can save as PDF document. Do you want to send it to the person as PDF document? You can save it as PDF document and send it to the person. Now let's tap on send a copy. Send a copy. Let's see. Send a copy. They will say, ask you again, how do you want to send a copy to this person? Is it Word? Is it PDF document? So I'm tapping on PDF document and I'll tap on OK. Now they're going to show us where we want to send it to. Is it to your Google Drive? Is it to your Gmail? Is it to Facebook? Is it to WhatsApp? Wherever. And then you can do that, and that is it.